This question is asking us what type of function this equation represents. So if you remember something in particular, then it makes this really easy. And that something is the vertex form of a quadratic equation. So what they did is they gave us an equation in vertex form. So let me just show you real quick what vertex form looks like. It's y equals a times x minus h to the second power plus k. That's the vertex form of a quadratic equation. Now, this is in vertex form, so the answer is quadratic. Okay? If you didn't recognize that, let's talk about a couple things. So, first off, a cubic function has an exponent of 3. And you can see in this problem, we don't have an exponent of 3, we have an exponent of 2, so it's not going to be a cubic function. Exponential is going to have x, the variable x, as your exponent. We don't have that here, so it's not exponential. And then square root, you're going to see the square root symbol, so you would see this symbol somewhere in there, and we don't see that. Okay, so this is the vertex form of a quadratic equation. Keep it up. You're doing great. You will master the math.